so excited to find this Harvest Host location. It's called Cold Springs Vineyard on I-84 in southern Idaho. And we even got to meet the owner, Bill.
My name is Bill Ringard. We are at Cold Springs Vineyard. And what we do here is raise grapes and make what we consider to be high quality wine. That's our goal, that's our mission. We're going to start out with Viognier. 9% Riesling, 10% Viognier. We call it La Attraction. It's a little on the fruity side.
It was fun to try all the different blends and flavors of grapes that he grows there.
Cheers.
And after the wine tasting, we bought a couple of our favorite bottles of wine and invited Bill over for dinner, camped out at the edge of his vineyard. Made some steaks, and he even brought over a bottle of red wine, so we had really an enjoyable evening.
Those look amazing, oh my goodness.
Ready?
The pop. Is this a good size for you, Bill?
That's great.
Perfect.
Thank you.
There you go, sir.
I've had a great time with Harvest Host. We've had so many interesting discussions on the patio at the winery. I've even had some people invite me to supper. And they served excellent steak. I hope you enjoy your stay, enjoy the wine, and have a safe trip wherever you're going.
Thanks, Bill. It was a pleasure meeting you and visiting your Harvest Host location.